Hi everyone, Rachel Joy Olson here. I am super excited to share with you what I'm eating for dinner tonight. I was inspired at the Plant Powered with a Purpose event the other day to get back into my roots, get back to what I used to do in making more delicious and more raw foods. So of course, everything I eat is not going to be raw, but I love to eat more and more, especially as the weather gets nicer. So today I am going to be eating raw, soft tacos. What I've added to the food processor is, if you can see right at the top there, it is 1 cup of walnuts. Then we've got half a cup of sunflower seeds, both raw, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, and 2 tablespoons of Bragg's soy sauce. From here, all I'm going to do now is pop the lid on my food processor and process it. You want it to be kind of smooth, but still chunky, kind of like a taco mix. Okay, now for the salsa that's gonna go on the taco mix. So as you can see here, we got a mix of stuff. I've got 2 cups of tomatoes diced, 1/2 of onion diced, really actually chopped quite small. I've got 3 cloves of garlic in there, then half a teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, they're like my favorite spices ever, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Now, normally I would add in 3/4 cup of chopped cilantro, but I'm out. So what I've used instead is 2 drops of a cilantro essential oil. That's all you need. And actually when I smell it, I can smell the cilantro. It's absolutely divine. So now from here, we're gonna put the tacos together. Okay, so how to put the tacos together. You need about 3 or 4 romaine lettuce leaves. Now, usually I use bigger ones than this, but I just feel like a little snack tonight. So then you place down the taco meat, or the taco mix that's on the, that you mixed up. You put the taco meat onto the lettuce wrap. Then you add the salsa on top. And then what I topped on there is some grated carrots. It's just an extra added bonus, especially for a little bit of color. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And then from there, all you gotta do is enjoy. Have fun. Hopefully you love the recipe. If you make the recipe, post it. I'd love to see your version. Talk to you soon.